Aku por waklat ke Belanda te. Ia berok sangut ya rak kesenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah pada ufrai dia. Kam no ke ceng car am. Tip syuk kan long kom no lah dah. Yap sama no mana ni.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda beke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy lepi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na kabenda ka neat.
Ki khli no sanshar jong ka Hima Sohra. Kila syong jingalang kirki menta kasngi ka afraterik jamang aja penriu. Hadi mikiliyo jingtip bo presiden ka VPP ba arden melabasayaman unwan siya Sohra ka arap khandai terik jamang aja penriu Ïalap Elekshon na kabantao kurtong MP jong kaseng VPP. Kikaliit ng tansyar kilaong, wala daw ba arden unwan siya Sohra kipadiang baon keren yakikam Ïalap Elekshon ka party jong u. Henry kila maham lupa, wala daw umut ban siyat Ktaid yakikam Hima Sohra kinmi ban Pyrshah hakatu ka jingelang jong u.
Nakaliang jong kakanhon kikiliit ng tansyar lembat kurang ba apo Hima Sohra. Hadi mon iya kita kikubor di balami apo social media. Apakah nakaliang jong presiden barangba jong ka Voice of the People Party VPP inwan ban pensai ba ya kanong rem dan ya kamat awya dai ban ka kam Hima sima hapo Hima Sohra nakaliang jongi ni maham bat horkit hodang nginom Ïalap ba pinwan ban pani khlek jaktung ya ka kam sain perthai jong pi bat ya ka kam Hima sima ka jongi namar bakane ka kam ka jongi ka bangi angnot ba umaramdor unlong no us ibo purahan dai mafi kinakwa banwan ya Ktaid ya kata kam Hima sima hapo ka Hima ka jongi henry lada piwan ban Ïalap ya kam politics ka jong pi hapo ka Hima nakan yang jongi ngimsawi ai henry nai kata ya kam sisar kadar hapo ka Hima Sohra bat ngimaham ru balada piele Pyrshah ya kane lada ja kano nakaliang jongi ikhi no sisar lembat kiru ba lasai kasni inunon kano no jigit ni.
Always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.